Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day. So, I've come again here in the video to speak and basically do a practice session of English language. So, I have uploaded multiple videos, and nowadays I'm just listening myself because that is the most important part for me for improving myself, because I have uploaded multiple videos but I haven't able to work on them because it feels like little bit uh, very difficult for me to listen myself, because this is what the most important part if you want to speak fluently. So for that I just want to listen myself, because this is the hardest thing for me for to listen and uh, record myself, and just seeing that where I'm lacking. So I'm going to do this in this video, because I like difficult tasks which I usually don't want to do, but I try to get out of my comfort zone. So for that, I am doing that. So this is the video which I'm going to show you, because this is getting a lot of huge views. But let's forget about this, because this is a more than 6 minutes, so nobody want to stay with this much of long video. So let's choose uh, this option, right, in which I have uploaded. Just hold a second, there are multiple practice video. Just I'm searching out like which one is best for you. Okay, hold a second. So this one you can find out in that I have uploaded only 3 minutes of video. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day. So I'm just walking through the street of this beautiful place in Gurugram. So recording myself and speaking in English, that is like first thing, and I want to make it fun way. So that's why I try to upload videos at least 5 minutes a day, because if we are taking things very seriously, so we cannot able to generate the improvement or quality what we require. So yeah, for that I just try to record myself at least for 5 minutes. And in lot of days, I just stuck while uploading the video, or I'm missing a lot of days. So yeah, that is also a thing which I'm going to write it down, because writing down something helps me to be a consistent, because if we are writing something, so that goes in our subconscious mind that we need to do that. And that is why I just able to work on YouTube as well, because working something that is very difficult for me from my childhood. And because I never work on myself, so in my early in my nowadays I am working, and it has a very significant role in my career, because working on yourself is a thing that will very beneficial in longer term comparison to just wasting our time in in online platforms. I think my voice is too low in videos, and for that I'm searching some microphone or mic. So if you have any suggestion, please let me know in my comment box. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I think that is not more than 5 minutes, but I try to make it for 3 minutes only. So So have you seen these videos? So I try to upload video every day, and this is my motto because I want to become a native English speaker, and for that the speaking is required because in our society there is a lot of people who try to speak, who want to speak basically, but they are doing something, reading, writing, or listening. So these all part is important, but the most important if you want to speak fluently is speaking. So by speaking only you can generate content, and you can express yourself. So this is a 3 minutes of video which I uploaded like last 2 to 3 months back. So hope you find this video helpful for yourself. So in upcoming days as well, I'm going to upload these kind of videos every day. So you need to stay with me till the end of this journey. I'll show you like how a beginner can speak native, uh, beginner can speak, right? So in this video, that is it. I hope you guys like the video. Bye bye, have a good day.